Now the next identity is eighth one, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. We can see that this is the given expression and it can be written in the form of the product of two expressions. So, if the question comes, for example, factorize. Why factorize? Because normally we write the factors in the form of the product of any expression. So, the question is 8x cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz. Now compare this with this given expression. This is the left hand side. We have to write the right hand side, means we have to write the factors of this given expression. So first whatever expression is given, we will compare it with the identities. So since I am doing this identity, so I am taking the example of that. Otherwise, if we get the question, we will compare with all the identities expansions, accordingly we will do. So here we can see there are 3 cubes. And the previous identities what we have done, none of the identities were having 3 cubes. Only this is the identity where 3 cubes are there. We had seen earlier a plus b the whole cube, a minus b the whole cube. There were 2 cubes. 2 terms were as given in the form of cubes. Here there are 3 cubes. So this is definitely a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc. So what we have to do, first of all we have to choose what are the 3 quantities. What are those 3 terms? So 8x cube is cube of what? So 8x cube is cube of 2x. It means the first quantity a, that is 2x. Similarly, y cube is cube of y. And 27z cube is cube of 3z. So what we have observed that a is 2x, b is y and c is 3z. So the next should be thrice abc. So it is 3 into first term, that is 2x, into second term, into third term. So 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, x, y, z. It means we have got LHS in our hand and we have to go to the right hand side. So those will be called the factors. So we'll write it. How will we write? This should be, it is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc. So we'll go to the right hand side. First term. First term is 2x, second is y, then 3z. So a plus b plus c into, that is a square plus b square plus third term is 3z minus ab. ab means first term into second one. So 2x into y minus y into 3z minus 3z into 2x. So what is that? A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab. First term into second term minus bc, second into third term minus third into first term. So overall the factors will be 2x plus y plus 3z into 2x the whole square is 4x square plus y square plus 3 square is 9. So 9z square minus 2 into x into y is 2xy minus y into 3 is 3yz minus 6xz. So the two factors of the given expression are, this is the first and this is the second, because they are written in the form of the product of two factors. So in this case, the expression is given and we have factorized it. So this is the last identity. Now there is a condition of this identity. In this case, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, that is called the conditional identity for the same thing. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then what will happen? This whole term will be 0. Why? 0 into this will be 0. So then in that case, we can simply write for the same identity. This is called the condition of the identity. Condition is if a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So in that case, the left hand side will be equal to 0. So we can write it as a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0 into this whole bracket. So that becomes 0. So if this is equal to 0, then we'll write it a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to, this thrice abc will go on the right hand side, 3abc. So this condition is come from the identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, from that only. Now condition we have to apply, then only it is if a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to thrice abc. This we can use in the questions also. So if any question is given in this form, we can go back to this a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc, or we can use this conditional identity also. For example, if it is asked without actual calculation, find out minus 12 the whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. So what we will do, we will compare it with this. Okay, here a is minus 12, b is 7 and c is 5. If we notice these three terms, when these three numbers, when we add, this will be minus 12 plus 7 plus 5 will be minus 12 plus 12, that is 0. It means directly we can say if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to 3 into a into b into c. Means we don't have to calculate 12 cube and 5 cube and 7 cube. Directly we will relate it with the identity, condition of the identity, that is if a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So we will say that yes, a plus b plus c is 0. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So directly we will multiply and that will be the answer. Now we had done a plus b the whole cube and a minus b the whole cube. Two more forms are there which we use in the case of evaluation. So those two cases are used in evaluation, and the other two related to that are used in factorization. So the forms are, one is a cube plus b cube and another one is a cube minus b cube. So when some questions come of the type evaluate and they are given in the form of a cube plus b cube, then in that case we can use this form. From where have we got this? We have got this from the identity a plus b the whole cube, because a plus b the whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus thrice ab into a plus b. So if we want the value of a cube plus b cube. Always remember, a plus b the whole cube is not equal to a cube plus b cube. Similarly, a minus b the whole cube is not equal to a cube minus b cube. This is a cube plus b cube, and this is a plus b the whole cube. So that you have to keep in your mind. That if we want the value of a cube plus b cube, we can get it from a plus b the whole cube. Similarly, if we want the value of a cube minus b cube, so that we can get from a minus b the whole cube. Okay, so in that case, this will be a minus b the whole cube, a cube minus b cube, minus thrice ab into a minus b will help us. So a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b the whole cube, and this quantity will come this side. So that would be plus 3ab into a minus b. So these are two forms which we use in the evaluation. Okay. There are other two forms which we use in the factorization. So those two forms are a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This we use in factorization. Why? Because these two are the factors written in the form of the product for this expression. Okay. Similarly, for the factorization, a cube minus b cube can be written as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So, this is used in evaluation and this is used in factorization. This is used in evaluation and this is used in factorization. So, now if the question is, factorize 125a cube plus 27b cube. We'll compare it with the form. So what I told you, the form a cube plus b cube used for the factorization is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So here we have to see what is a, means what is the first term. This whole term is cube of what? So 125 is cube of 5 and a cube is cube of a. So this whole term can be written as 5a the whole cube. Similarly, this is 3b the whole cube. Now this will compare with this. So we have to write it in the form of its factors. So this will be a plus b means first term plus second term into, that would be a square minus ab plus b square. So the two factors of the given expression are 5a plus 3b into 25a square minus 15ab plus 9b square. In place of this plus, if it is minus, then the sign will change. Only this will be minus, this will be minus and this will be plus. So this form a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube for the factorization. This is for a cube plus b cube, and for a cube minus b cube, this is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So what we have seen, the expansion of the identities means LHS was given, so we had done the right hand side, and if right hand side was given, then we had done the factorization. So this is all about algebraic identities.